children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, watching the videos and completing your work. So children, watch the videos regularly and complete your work in the book itself. So children, today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter 7. Let us start logo. So children, here we are going to read another language, and children, using this we can do some more tasks. So children, let us see what all we are going to read in this chapter. So children, in this chapter we will be reading logo, we will be reading logo, logo turtle, logo screen, home of the turtle, existing logo. So children, as we have studied in the previous video, we have studied word pad, and today we are going to learn another software, that is logo. So children, once again here we meet Lappy. Lappy will be telling all about logo in this chapter. So children, Lappy says, hello friends, so far you have learnt how to give commands to a computer through the click of mouse. So children, till now whatever we have studied, or whichever language we have studied, or whichever software we have studied, we have used those software using a mouse. So हमने mouse click के साथ उन सारे software को किया था. For example, we had studied in the previous class, we had studied Paint, and then we had studied Notepad, calculator, and all these things we had done using the mouse click. So children, now the language which we are going to learn is will be done or will be used with the help of commands. तो अभी जो हम लैंग्वेज पढ़ेंगे इसमें वी हैव टू लर्न कमांड्स एंड वी हैव टू गिव द कमांड in order to perform any task, and these commands will be given with the help of keyboard. So children, अभी तक हमने जितने भी सॉफ्टवेयर यहाँ पे पढ़े थे, नोटपैड हो, कैलकुलेटर हो, पेंट हो, सब में हमने माउस का यूज़ किया था. विद द क्लिक ऑफ माउस वी परफॉर्म टास्क ऑन दीज programs. But here we are going to study about another program which is known as logo, and logo is a language, children, which will be used with the help of command by giving commands with the help of keyboard. तो यहाँ पे हमें commands learn करने पड़ेंगे and हमें commands दे करके ही यहाँ पे task हम कर पाएंगे. So children, let us know what is this logo. So logo, L for language. Here you can see the spelling of logo is L O G and O. यानी कि logo means language, O यानी of, graphic means pictures or shapes, something where we make pictures and shapes, इसे हम graphics कहते हैं. Oriented मतलब it is oriented towards the pictures or shapes, so it is something which is related to the figure or the shapes. So graphic oriented है, तो यहाँ पे हम इसको यूज़ करके graphics ही करेंगे. तो children, language of graphic oriented. Now logo stands for graphic language of graphic oriented. Logo is a programming language. It is a language which is used for doing प्रोग्राम. इस लैंग्वेज को यूज़ करके हम प्रोग्राम करते हैं. तो अभी तक तो हमें प्रोग्राम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ रही थी, हम माउस के क्लिक से ही वी वर डूइंग द सॉफ्टवेयर्स और वी वर यूजिंग द सॉफ्टवेयर. अब दैट इज़ यूज टू ड्रॉ पिक्चर फिगर्स, वी कैन डू स्मॉल कैलकुलेशन एंड प्रिंट वर्ड्स. तो यूजिंग लोगो चिल्ड्रन, इट इज़ अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज दैट इज़ यूज टू ड्रॉ. हम प्रोग्राम बना करके फिगर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, छोटे कैलकुलेशन नंबर्स कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, और वी कैन इवन प्रिंट वर्ड्स बाय गिविंग सिंपल कमांड्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ कीबोर्ड. लोगो में हम कीबोर्ड को यूज़ करते हैं और कीबोर्ड में हम सिंपल कमांड्स दे करके फिगर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, सिंपल कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं, या फिर हम वर्ड्स को प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ड्रॉ डिफरेंट शेप्स एंड फिगर ऑन द कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन with the help of logo. As we can draw different shapes and figure using logo on the computer screen. That is why it is known as graphic oriented, इसलिए हम इसको graphic oriented language कहते हैं. So children, logo, L for language, O for off, G for graphic and O for oriented. It is actually designed or made for the graphic use only. तो यहाँ पे हम figure draw कर सकते हैं, हम छोटे छोटे calculations कर सकते हैं. Other than these, we can also print words. हम words भी print कर सकते हैं using the keyboard. So here we are not going to use the mouse. We will be giving commands with the help of keyboard. हम commands को keyboard से type करके computer में देंगे. You can draw different shapes and figure on the computer screen with the help of logo. So let us read more about it. Now, what is logo turtle? So children, this triangle is called logo turtle. हम इसको logo turtle कहते हैं. So logo turtle looks somewhat like this, and here this turtle can be seen in the form of triangle, and it is mostly found at the center of the window. Logo का जो window है उसके एकदम बीच में होता है, and it is just like a cursor. Whatever you do in the logo gets started from the position of the turtle. So children, logo turtle, this is known as logo turtle. What is this logo turtle? Logo uses turtle to draw figures and lines on screen. Logo uses turtle to draw figures and lines on screen. जो logo है turtle को use करके figure या line screen पे draw करता है. Turtle looks like a little triangle on the logo screen. तो logo screen पे एक छोटा सा triangle होता है which is known as turtle. ये जो logo होता है यानी कि turtle होता है looks like a little triangle, छोटे से triangle की तरह होता है. ये जो हमारा turtle है ये छोटे से triangle की तरह होता है, and on the logo screen it works like a pen to draw figure. ये pen की तरह होता है. जब we draw something in a computer we get a arrow, pointer, mouse pointer जैसे शो करता है उसी तरह से माउस पॉइंटर की तरह ये भी एक तरह का कर्सर है which is used for drawing figure. Now the pointed end of the turtle is called head. The pointed end of the turtle is called head. जो turtle का pointed head है इसको हम जो लोगो का pointed end है या ऊपर का end है उसको हम head कहते हैं. And the wider, ये जो एक मिनट पहले हम इसको रिलीज करते हैं. So here children, this point is called, इस point को हम head कहते हैं. This is known as head. And this base, wider part, this is known as tail. हम turtle, the pointed end of the turtle is called head and the wider end of the turtle is called tail. जो चौड़ा वाला end होता है उसको हम tail कहते हैं. Now so here it has two parts. The wider, the conical or the pointed end is called head and the wider end is called tail. Now the turtle can move right, left, backward and forward on our commands or instruction. जब हम command देते हैं तो जो turtle है, so turtle can move right, left, backward and forward on our commands or instructions. So children, as we can move the cursor in all the four direction, right, towards right, left, up, backward, forward, even the turtle can move in all the four directions. So children, here is the turtle. We have read all about the turtle and I hope you all have understood. After that children, logo was designed in 1967. So children, the logo was designed in 1967 and there were different software engineers who had worked together and designed this logo program or the language. Now children, as you can see here, starting logo, as we start other programs, just now we had learned how to start WordPad. In the same manner children, we will start logo also. So for starting logo, you can start logo program by following these steps. For starting logo children, you have to click on start button. for starting logo, you have to click on Start button. Start your computer to open Windows Desktop. Start your computer to open Windows Desktop. Click on the Start button, click on All Programs, click on MSW logo, and the logo screen will appear. So children, if you want to start logo program, you will first of all click on Start button. सबसे पहले आप Start button पे click करोगे, फिर click on All Program. You will have a menu. From there, you will click on All Program, Start button, All Program, and then you will click on MSW logo, and the logo screen will appear. Other than these children, you can also start logo from the search box. You can type MSW logo on the search box, and the window will and the program will appear in front of you, and from there when you click on that program or that name, your window will appear in front of you or on your screen. So this is how we can start logo. Now after you have a screen in front of you children, this is logo screen or this is logo window. Children, if you look at this, it is also same like other windows. Here we have turtle. This is just like a cursor. ये cursor की तरह होता है. जो भी हम करेंगे, it will be, that figure will be drawn from here. And if you look at the other part of this logo is, first of all, on the top we have title bar, then we have menu bar, and we have minimize, maximize, and exit. And then children, here you should also know that the logo window is divided into two parts. Before working in logo, you must understand the logo screen. So we are trying to understand the logo screen. So children, logo screen is divided into two parts. As you can see here, first part is called main screen. पहले part को हम main screen कहते हैं, and second part is called commander window. Second part को हम commander window कहते हैं. As you can see here children, as you can see in the picture, the logo screen is divided into two parts, mainly main screen. First को हम main screen कहते हैं, इसको हम main screen कहते हैं, and the second one is known as commander window. Now children, if you look at the window, here are two windows. The main window is this. This part is used for drawing the figure. Whatever command you give is given on commander window. तो first of all, commander window में भी we have two windows. यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो विंडो है. If you can see here, जो second part विंडो का है, इसमें भी हमारे पास दो विंडो होते हैं. एक तो ये विंडो है जिसको हम रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स कहते हैं, और उसके नीचे एक और विंडो है जिसको हम कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स कहते हैं, जिसको हम कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स कहते हैं. सो हियर चिल्ड्रन, कमांडर विंडो, कमांडर विंडो इज ऑल्सो डिवाइडेड इनटू टू, दैट इज रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स होता है. वन इज रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स एंड द अदर वन इज कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स. Whatever we type on the command input box gets stored in the recall list box. जो भी हम command window, command input box, ये छोटा वाला जो पतला वाला नैरो सा एरिया है, this one is called command input box. हम सबसे पहले जो भी टाइप करते हैं यहाँ लिखा जाता है, और फिर उसके बाद यहाँ पे जाके it gets listed या stored, वहाँ पे जाके store हो जाता है, और फिर वहाँ से जब कमांड पूरे हो जाते हैं तो यहाँ पे फिगर बन जाती है. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द विंडो. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, द लोगो स्क्रीन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू मेन पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज मेन स्क्रीन एंड द कमांडर विंडो. पहला मेन स्क्रीन होता है, ये मेन स्क्रीन है, एंड दिस इज कमांडर विंडो. इन कमांडर विंडो वी हैव once again we have two parts. Upper one is called recall list box and lower is called command input box. Here we will input the command. हम यहाँ पे command को input करते हैं, and फिर ये command यहाँ जाके recall हो जाता है, और उसके बाद फिर जब command पूरे हो जाते हैं तो जो भी हमने command दिया होता है उसका figure यहाँ पे बन जाता है. So this is how our logo screen is divided. Now children, the main screen, it is the graphic area. मतलब मैंने बताया आपको ये वो एरिया होता है जहाँ पे ग्राफिक यानी हमारी पिक्चर या फिगर बनती है. सो इट इज़ द ग्राफिक एरिया ऑफ द विंडो वेयर द पिक्चर्स आर शोन. जहाँ पे पिक्चर जो हमने कमांड दिया है वो हमें दिखाई देता है. उसके बाद हमारे पास है कमांडर विंडो. कमांडर विंडो, दिस एरिया ऑफ द विंडो इज़ यूज्ड टू राइट द कमांड्स दैट विल ड्रॉ शेप्स एंड फिगर, जो शेप्स और फिगर को ड्रॉ करेगा. एंड द कमांडर विंडो इज़ अगेन divided into two parts. As I told you, the commander window is divided into two parts. First part is recall list and the second part is command input box. So commander window is once again divided into two parts, recall list box and the command input box. Recall list box, whatever is written in command input box is recorded in the record list box. And the command input box, all the logo commands are entered in this area. जितना भी logo का command होता है वो इस area में हम enter करें. So children, let us recall what all we have done till now. So children, this is chapter 7, that is chapter 7. Let us start logo. And in this chapter till now we have studied about logo. What is logo? Logo is a programming language. It is used to do programming. Programming किस लिए children? To draw a figure or shapes or to do simple calculation. So children, it is a type of language in which we use keyboard to give the command. So children, this is a language where we use command with the help of keyboard to perform any task. तो अभी तक हमने जो भी हमने सॉफ्टवेयर पढ़ा था उनमें वी हैड यूज्ड माउस क्लिक फॉर परफॉर्मिंग अ टास्क, बट इट इज़ अ प्रोग्राम वेयर वी यूज़ कमांड्स फ्रॉम द कीबोर्ड फॉर मेकिंग प्रोग्राम और परफॉर्मिंग एनी टास्क. सो चिल्ड्रन, लोगो इज़ a programming language, and using this language we make programs and perform the task. L for language, O for off, G for graphic, O for oriented, as it is oriented, as it is designed for making graphics or for making shapes and figures. So that is why children it is known as language of graphic orientation. Now logo stands for language of graphic orientation. Logo is a programming language that is used to draw figures, calculate numbers and print words by giving simple commands. With the help of a keyboard, you can draw different shapes and figures on the computer screen with the help of logo. So children, if you want to draw any kind of shapes of figure or if you want to do simple calculation, you can use logo by giving the command. With the help of keyboard, you can perform the following task. Now children, same as we have cursor in different programs, here we have a turtle and this turtle is found in the shape of triangle. ये एक triangle के shape में होता है and logo uses turtle to draw figures and lines on the screen. अगर line draw करनी हो या figure draw करनी हो तो logo इस triangle को use करता है. It works like a pen to draw figures and lines on logo. It works like a pen. ये एक pen की तरह होता है which helps to draw figures and lines on logo. logo में figure draw करने में help करता है और lines draw करने में help करता है. The pointed end of the turtle is called head. ये जो नोकीला part होता है इसको हम head कहते हैं and the broad part is called tail. Now, then children, starting logo. How to start a logo? Same as other programs which we have learnt till now children. We have to go to start button first of all. You will click on start button. Click on all program, then we will click on all program and click on MSW logo. The logo screen will appear. When you give these things, do these things, the logo screen will appear. So this is logo screen And as we know children, the logo screen is divided into two parts. One is called main screen, one is called main screen and the other one is called commander screen. एक को हम main screen बोलेंगे और दूसरे को हम commander screen बोलेंगे. So children, main screen का मतलब है जहाँ पे हम हमारी ड्राइंग दिखाई देगी, जहाँ पे शेप्स दिखाई देंगे, जहाँ पे फिगर दिखाई देगा, उसको हम मेन स्क्रीन कहते हैं. और उसके नीचे वी हैव अनदर बॉक्स, दिस बॉक्स इज कॉल्ड कमांडर विंडो. इसे हम कमांडर विंडो कहते हैं. और कमांडर विंडो के नीचे एक पतली सी लाइन होती है जिसको हम यहाँ पे एज यू कैन सी हियर, हम इस पतली सी लाइन को कहते हैं कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स. अब यहाँ पे जो कमांडर विंडो है, इट इज़ ऑल्सो डिवाइडेड इनटू टू. फर्स्ट वन इज़ कॉल्ड रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स. पहले वाले को हम रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स कहते हैं, दूसरे वाले को कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स कहते हैं. पहले को हम रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स कहते हैं, दूसरे को कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स कहते हैं. सो एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, द लोगो स्क्रीन इज sended in two parts, main screen and the commander window. So यहाँ पे the commander window, पहले तो हमारी पूरी स्क्रीन दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, एक है मेन स्क्रीन एंड दूसरा है कमांडर विंडो. नाउ मेन स्क्रीन इज द ग्राफिक एरिया ऑफ द विंडो वेयर द फिगर आर शोन. तो यहाँ पे मेन स्क्रीन का मतलब होता है कि ग्राफिक एरिया ऑफ द विंडो, ग्राफिक एरिया ऑफ द विंडो वेयर द फिगर्स आर ड्राउन. तो वो एरिया जहाँ पे फिगर्स ड्रॉ होते हैं उसको हम मेन एरिया कहते हैं. वो ग्राफिक एरिया विंडो का वेयर द फिगर्स आर ड्रॉन. कमांडर विंडो, दिस एरिया ऑफ द विंडो इज यूज्ड टू राइट द कमांड्स दैट विल ड्रॉ shapes and figures. The commander window is again divided into two parts. One is called recall list box and the other one is called command tool input box. Now, so recall list box, whatever is written on the command input box is recorded in record list box. Command input box, all the commands, all the logo commands are entered into this area. So इस एरिया में हम करते हैं, it gets listed in recall list box and then it is delivered in the exam. So children, this is all for today. We have completed some of the topic of this chapter. We will be doing the remaining chapters in the next video. Till then, thank you. Take care.